Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video we will be learning how to sign up or create a new account for KU Coin. If you are ready to start trading crypto or just want to explore what KU Coin has to offer, then follow along till the end of the video. First of all, open up your KU Coin application on your mobile device, or you may also go visit kucoin.com on a web browser. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the sign up/login button. Now, in the sign up page, type down an email address or a phone number you'd like to create an account with. I'm just gonna type in an email. After you do that, if you've got a referral code, tap on the referral code drop-down and enter your referral code in the text box. Make sure that you check on these two circles to agree to privacy policy and terms of use, and finally click on Create Account. You can also create an account with Telegram or Apple ID. On the next page, you will need to verify your email. A verification code will be sent to your email inbox that you've just provided. Open up your email service provider's inbox for the respective email, and then open up the email from KU Coin that you received. Copy the code that you received and then get back to KU Coin app. Paste in the verification code in the text box. After you do that, on the next page, you'll be asked to create a password. Type down a password for your account so that you can secure it. After typing down a strong password, click on Confirm. You have successfully signed up. You can now create passkey so that you can protect your account against phishing and other threats. Tap on Create at the bottom and follow through the instructions. Now click on the Send button right next to Enter verification code box and get back to your email inbox. There you'll receive another code. Simply copy that and paste it down inside the KU Coins verification code box. Now click on Next and use your Face ID to sign in or your biometrics to sign in. Now you have created passkey. You can now get back and complete your identity verification. Click the Get Verified button and follow through the steps. You will then need to select your issuing country or region and then select an ID type you can verify your personal information with. Follow along till the end of the video. Make sure to upload your documents correct and you will be able to complete the verification. After you are done with your verification, you can now explore the KU Coin dashboard, deposit funds and start trading. And that's how you have successfully signed up for KU Coin and get ready to start your crypto journey. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.